She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold ring.
I got this. We've already opened. There is a baking station going on here. So yeah, let's bake.
Somebody I can call, looking for the only one I can get my own. Tell me that it's true.
Hi my lights, it's another day in the vlog. Oh, don't mind my hair. I had this hair for 2 weeks, but already say moshegile. Let's go out on a date with Trifina. She was like, girl, get dressed and we're going. And like, look at my hair, dog. So yeah, I am going on a date today. I will change when I get there. So guys, I'm in the bedroom right now. I want to change to those clothes. You know, it's not this. Guys, I'm done getting dressed. Yo, my dress is so short. Okay, there is my dress. But yeah, I'm not going to buy it. Hi lights. I quickly want to show you my outfits. I like just a simple sexy dress and short. Yo, it is so short. Like let me show you my view from here. This place is so pretty and the food, oh my god, I love it.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't knock on easy, no. Never been your average girl. So take time with me, take time. Maybe talk to me with some action. We can find a place for your passion. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool now, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, cool down, cool down, simmer, cool down, cool down, cool down, cool. I'm looking for somebody I can call, looking for the only one.
So guys, we decided to order iplata because Nombilo akakaze adle iplata yasesivutha. On the other side, ngilingayile, but like I don't mind repeating it for her. So this is how it looks, so pretty. You know. So guys, here is our food, and we are waiting for our drinks. But Nombilo is impatient. Hey, Shala. This is mom. There's Axel soul. Even I have it looks so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Like it's fine, it's fine.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see me
Good job. Good journey.
as I am.
I almost died.
Come here, 'cause it's time. Hold you for me.
Hi guys, I'm at Boxer now.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. 'Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers
Hi my guys, I just got back. I couldn't vlog that much the time This is what I got at the shopping center. I got this Gently Magic skincare mask and my baby. Oh my god. So right now I quickly want to apply this while I tell you my story of how I almost got a boyfriend. I won't mention the names because you will know who it is. When I was busy crying, there was this dude that was eyeing me, and on my mind I was like, uyangivela yabo. I never took it that way yabo. So I ignored the feeling. So we arrived at home where the funeral took place, right? And I look at him and I'm like, yo, Wabona, this dude is more prettier than on pictures, because I know this dude from social media. He's famous, but it's not who you think it is. So this is a life update, yabo. And then I'm like, this dude is more prettier in person than on pictures. And then okay, I ignore the feeling, yeah. Then okay, ga auntie gusone like guga auntie the ground. So sisa grounding because it was so packed. There were more than 2,000 people go funeral, ne? And I see him. Accidentally, was like, this dude wants me. Oh my god, let me stop talking. Accidentally, goes like, this dude really wants me, yabo. And then, okay, utkamga so, yabo. The big Nimandu group of girls. Then when he was approaching me, the girls started to scream, like dragging people's attention. Guys. And after that part, that is when I realized that no, this person, when he was eyeing me at the funeral, is not that begang phone. When this and this and this happened, when yo guys, and from good morning my lights. I forgot to show you the hauls and unboxings. Yo, Sana, I was so busy. Like, don't mind my mood. My mood has been off ever since I found out that the person that I loved there is no more. So yeah, let me quickly show you those things. I'm gonna start with what my sister-in-law got me. Got me this scrub. I haven't started using it yet, but from Shein I bought this phone case. Let me just show you. We have this one, and this one. Also bought this light. I don't know if it is the one or what, but like, yeah, I bought this light. I bought these bow ties for me and my girl. I bought this purple one for my sister-in-law, and this one, the pink one, for me. Then lastly, my bro from America, he bought me this. We've already opened it. Let me. He bought us the sweets. Yo, Sana, they slap. Yo, he bought me this. He bought us this. It's a blood pressure monitor for us.